Downloading and getting a void check in CIBC is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, open up the CIBC website. Once you get into its site by clicking on the Ways to Bank option, now once you're here in Ways to Pay, you will get into void checks. So if you scroll down a bit, you will get to know how to download a void check. Simply follow these steps. Fill out each field by typing in the requested information. Then save the form onto your computer. You will need to print a copy in order to sign the customer signature space. After that, submit the form to the company depositing the payment into your account or to the billing company. If you are sending the form by email, remember to scan your signed copy so that the electronic version contains your signature. Now to get a void check, sign in to CIBC Online Banking and select My Accounts from the menu. Then, select the account you want to link. After that, select the void check or direct deposit info link from the Manage My Account drop-down. Now, review the account information form with your account information, including transit number, institution number, and account number. Lastly, print the form. Add your signature and date and submit it to the company who requested the information.